It's June in Cyprus, and that means one thing, it's zucchini flower season. Yup, Cypriots eat flowers.
And today, we're stuffing them with herby rice. Let's get started.
Welcome to the Bigfoot Cyprus Cooking Show.
Cyprus Cooking Show.
Here's what you'll need: flowers, rice, herbs, tomato, pine nuts, and a bit of cinnamon if you're feeling bold.
Throw it all into one big bowl: rice, herbs, tomato, pine nuts. Hit it with oil and mix it up. Keep it raw, it'll cook inside the flowers. Scoop a little mix, fold the petals real gentle. These guys are delicate. Overstuff them, and it's gonna blow open like a burrito gone wrong. Line them up nice and tight, one layer only. No stack any head, or you'll end up with soggy bottoms and crunchy rice bombs. Add just enough water to come halfway up. Then cover them with a plate, it keeps them from floating. Turn the heat to medium and let it roll for 25 minutes. Whew, that's tomato, mint, and olive oil wrapped in a hug. I gotta admit, even without the meat, this is killer.
I want to know what you guys want to see next, so drop your ideas in the comments below.